5 dangerous sea animals ever. Number 5. Number 5. The short-fin mako sharks. Short-fin mako sharks destroyed every fisherman's boats. In the meantime, several of them have destroyed, and we also found them in here. They're the fastest sharks ever recorded. And however, they're not bigger than a great white shark, but it's still huge. Number 4. Barracuda. Barracudas are scary looking. The jaws are actually very, very scary, and you never mess with him. This have his toxic flesh. Number 3, giant squid. Giant squid is actually very big, and not bigger than the colossal squid, but it's still huge. Well, okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2, great white shark. Dun 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 dun. Great white sharks. They're actually the dangerous sharks in the world. They're actually very dangerous. There's actually 400 attacks per year and 72 fatalities. There's actually they're strong. They're actually fierce and dangerous sharks. We only did number 2.
We just did number 3.
Number 3 and number 2.
Okay, now.
The colossal squid. Number 1, the colossal squid. Colossal squid is biggest squid out here. But the giant squid is actually longest. But giant squid is actually the biggest. The giant squid is the longest, but the colossal squid is the biggest. However, colossal squids are dangerous. They met in battles of sperm whales. What do you mean? What do you mean next? Subscribe. It will make a worst insect bites ever.